In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on this Volkswagen Beetle. It's going to be underneath the glove box, underneath the panel. There's some push pins holding this undercover up, so you want to take those out. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath there. You can even use 2 trim tools. Just try to pry those out. This one just broke, it's okay. And you can peel this down a little bit. Slide that to the side. And we'll disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tabs. And slide it out. Using a 6mm socket, we're going to take this bolt out. There's another bolt over here near the connector. Take that bolt out, same socket. And the resistor comes right out. Take the new resistor, line it up. Push it in. And we'll put the bolts in. Get those started. And tighten them down. Take the connector, line it up, and lock it in place. I'm going to take this cover, line it up, push it back in place. All right, push that in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.